Very, very nice coffee. Well, this is where you can get your cappuccinos, espresso, etc. And that's the menu. I do want a field blue. I want to try that. Can I get an Aspen coffee? Yeah.
Can I please have a cafe Oceania? Oceania.
See, you have a hard time pronouncing Oceania. Yes. Okay.
That's ridiculous. Remember you were that?
Oh, okay.
That has a dress on.
So you can get all kinds of coffee here, and with liquor in it, and other stuff. Thank you. And you can get, this is like Tabasco, alcohol, and desserts and stuff. They have a little snack area. So they have I should have got, and they have roasted vegetable, tuna salad, chicken salad, little sandwiches here, finger food, little cookies and cake. Sorry. And this is the little lounge here. And this is where you can sit to have coffee and stuff. I think we're going to spend a lot of time in here. And they do have other additional food here. Oh, hey. This looks so yummy. Oh, that's my favorite, quiche Lorraine. We got the coffee that we got. This was Cafe Oceania, and this one was
a few moments later.
I don't know, but it's got a whole bunch of liquor in it. I don't like it's coffee. And then we got this here is quiche Lorraine, and this is kind of like a little, I want to say a little puff pastry thing, sweet. This is complimentary. I believe this is complimentary too, but we do have a drinks package, so that
not
is
complimentary.
Oh, it's included with our drinks package. So the coffee is included with our drinks package. Bye for now.